What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. We're still on this Foxbody project, so let me turn this camera around and show you where we're at this point. All right, so you guys saw the engine bay last time painted. We got the Maximum Motorsports caster camber plates installed. Let's go down here. Yep, we have the UPR coilovers with the Viking springs, 5-lug conversion, SN95 spindles, 94, 95. Got the stock K member, cleaned it up, fresh paint job. Threw on the fenders just so they won't be lying around. Gutted the interior. Here's the bumper. Leaving that to straighten it out a little bit. Won't do much, but whatever, something is something. All the trim is off. All these moldings. Quarter windows, took them off. Back glass is gone. Well, you can see everything is gutted. Tail lights gone. Here's most of the interior, the back glass, the original door panels. Probably just gonna end up getting a new set. We'll see, we'll figure that out soon. These are quarter windows. Gonna have a video soon of me restoring them. Quarter panels that are cut up. Need to re-dye all this. So pretty much just waiting to put this back on the ground to get this over to paint. That's the next step in this project. All right, it's the next day here and check out what's outside. Let's go take a look. We finally have the Foxbody outside after a few months being indoors. Thanks to Ralph for hooking it up and letting me borrow some 5-lug wheels so I can get it on the ground. So hopefully next week we can finally get this car into the paint booth. See, remove the quarter windows. I have 2 bumpers here. Let's see which one's in better shape. Yes, it's looking a lot better out in the sun. Now we can finally see everything, you know, all the little details that need to be addressed out in the sun, in the engine bay, which we will take care of that as soon as it's in the shop. All right, so this is a good point to end off the video. Next time you see this car, it will be on its way to the paint booth, getting prepped and painted so we can continue with the rest of the build. We still have a lot to do, but little by little. Catch you guys on the next video.